guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here. I'm running out of time, so I already organized a little bit the room, but I have boxes with bunny food, all the things. I don't know where to put it because we live in a small apartment. There's really not a lot of storage space, I would say, like that, and therefore it's many times just on this extra bed that we have, things like that. But then I thought again, I lately want to be really natural and not fake that someone I'm not. I don't have aesthetic flatware to film. I don't have the best lighting, all the things, and I just hope, I don't know, maybe it's just delusional, that people are going to start finally support and follow and comment to natural, relatable content creators and I don't calling myself influencers, content creators and YouTubers who are just being natural and realistic and who have the same apartments that you do, and not how bicycles here, everything, because we don't have storage or garage or anything like that, and the boxes are here and everything is just messy, not because I am messy, sometimes maybe, but just because there's literally no storage place. The messy part I organized, the ones that I can organize, the laundry and everything we had here, I organized, but there are things there's just nowhere to put them. To have a change in the world, be the change in the world, and support just natural, normal content creators. This is that video that I kind of promised, from winter to summer, which is kind of tricky because even though we have better weather, it's more sunny, more hot, all things, but there can be cold days sometimes, rainy days, cold days, stormy days, windy days. So it's some things I never put away, kind of, even though then the whole summer I come without wearing them. But it's difficult, and sometimes you also travel to maybe colder weather, like in France, mountains, so I can't really put everything away, but there are a lot of things that I don't really reach for, obviously, in the summer at all. So let's start. Okay, ladies, I decided that I'm definitely going to continue filming it another day as well, tomorrow. I'm going to show you something from this summer that I took off my closet, but I understood even shoes, I need to exchange them. I started to put the summer shoes last year in boxes, and now I need to do it the opposite way, put the boots away and put summer shoes kind of out, and that already will take me at least 10 minutes. So I'm going to show you a little bit. Basic white shirt I got from Salsa Jeans last year. Super nice. It's just getting it gets wrinkled really easily. That's what is nice about it. Then from Petite Studio, this nice top which has cinched in kind of back. It would be nice if not for this cowl kind of weird look. Maybe for more plain busted women it would look better, but for me, I wore it once and I would love to wear it more, it's a nice elegant top with denim and stuff, but it's just that cowl neck. I don't know, girls. Then I have the plain Pepper jeans, Salsa jeans, I don't know, Pepper jeans t-shirt. It's nice and flowy and kind of good. Then I have this Massimo Dutti that I might get rid of finally because it's kind of, I have a feeling it's kind of loose, of all the washing, but I have it for 10 years and it's amazing. It washes out everything, all the dirt. If it gets dirty, it just washes out easily. I think I need to finally get rid of it. I also thought about wearing it when I go to sleep. It's not even, I don't know, girls. I need to wear it one more time and see. This is maybe. I have this colorful, nice, this is kind of nice, right, for summer. This is keep. Then I have red nice tank top. Oh, I like this one. It's from Zara, but it is coloring everything. It colored my favorite white denim shorts. Then I got this top last year from Zara. Super cute. I love this. It's not like the most flattering. I would like it to be a little bit, you know, the material is that knitted material that doesn't, it's like a little bit loose, so it doesn't like look as good on your curves, but it's still nice. I have these tank tops and I'm like kind of not wearing tank tops anymore. However, when it's so hot and around the house, that I found on Yes Style, and you have no idea how amazing it looks even on bigger bust. I thought it's not going to fit me. You know, these things are usually like, oof, they don't fit nicely on bigger bust. You're afraid something's going to fall out, but this one, girls, it's really nice. The shorts, these are the white shorts at the top colored, but I think dyed. But I think it has washed out from Vera Moda. Amazing white shorts. These are the like elegant ones, you know, that are not too short. I'm trying to really get and like find the shorts like that. Then I have Levi shorts that my fiance gifted me 1 year. Amazing shorts. Oh, and the mango shorts. These are black, like linen looked. I don't know if they're actually linen. Black, nice, like such a basic. I wrote a lot of blog posts about linen for petites and fines and all the things, so check that one out. It's really useful. Then I have Stradivarius blue denim shorts. I'm obsessed with these ones as well. And then I have these pink ones, which are kind of cute and nice for like different days when you want to like wear something different. They remind me of like boxing shorts, you know, like actual boxing shorts, but they're kind of cute, you know, also from Stradivarius, like something different, you know, to get out of comfort zone. Okay girls, day 2, and again it's super late already. It's just because lately I have so much things to do at my work. I'm trying to catch up with my blog. Let's continue while we can. I have a white tennis skirt. I'm going to keep this tennis skirt in thought. I think they are a little bit bigger on me, but I will, I think, get rid of these Shein like cheap polyester type of tennis skirt, even though it's a nice one. And these ones do it. It's such a better quality. It's so much softer. Pleats are nicer, but it is kind of not as cinched in. Like it's a bigger. It's L size, so I'm not surprised. Why is it L? For sure, keeping this one. This floral skirt, I'm really loving. Actually, I'm really enjoying this skirt. I actually should wear it to work one day. Yes, I should wear it to work one day. I have this black skirt. And it's great for vacation. It has matching, I think, bikini top. Oh, I have these black ones. I need to try them on. Again, Shein, like cheap ones. Try to really get away from that. Oh, these pink shorts I just bought last year. It was on sale and I was like thinking it's just really nice shorts to have to around home. Like really cozy and cute and nice. And yeah, I love pink. I'm really getting into the pink mood and I'm like... This is the romper I got last year and actually it's super cute. It's from Retro Stage. If you have any interest in like any of the items you see, then let me know and I will post links. All the stores that I have are down below, so you can check them anyways, like my shop, my LT key and all things. Then I have this dress that I don't know what to do. Because it's the one that I actually designed with these flowers. I have different ones. Different flowers, different dresses. This yellow dress is like so yellow, but it's so flattering that I still wear it from time to time. And I think with the black and stuff, it's gonna be actually nice. And you can wear it to the wedding even and stuff, like more casual garden wedding. And then I have this linen dress from Petite Studio, which is one of my favorite brands. However, I'm going to even make a short video about that topic. I don't understand why they make this dropped waist, like super low waist. That's so not flattering for petite women, like so not flattering. This dress has so much potential, but just because of that, it's like giving... I want to wear it, but then I'm like, it's not the most flattering, and then I still wear it, but I'm like, not feeling the best. Like, it's... And then they came up with that new George's dress, and it has the same design, and I'm like, why? Then I have this dress, which is a George's dress, but then again, like, will I wear it? Where will I wear it? It would be like nice for some date night though. Okay, these are the dresses I need to like put on one side, I think, of the closet and be like, okay, I'm going out, try it on, will I wear it, vacation, wear it, not then next season, out, you know, out. Not wearing it, out. Oh, same for this one. This one though, I think the straps might be too long or something. It had something, like maybe the straps too low or something. I have a feeling. But in general it was like nice. It's like a nice dress. But again, like where I'm going to wear it. It's just a question where I'm going to wear it. Then I have this yellow dress which I would actually wear. Like this is a cute summer dress. It is a little bit too long. However, if you wear like with like small heels, it's amazing dress. So that's why I'm kind of giving it a hope that I'm going to wear it. This is amazing flattering dress. I have this durable dress which I'm like so proud of having, because now they have like a boutique or something in Paris. They have been a TED Talk. They're so famous now, and I worked with them years ago and I'm so proud of it. But this dress I just need to put in the front row because I can't wear it anywhere outside. I just need to put myself together, get out of my comfort zone, because I have it kind of gives me the insecurity of like wearing like that. It's not like the worst, it's nice, but I am kind of scared it's going to flip. No, flip. So because of that, otherwise it's gorgeous. Or maybe around the neck. It would be nice around the neck, I think, like one strap. And then I have this cute summer dress. This one I wear each year summer, usually. This is like a really nice flattering dress. Really, really nice dress. And then I have this from Nuff Nuff that they closed. Imagine I just discovered them. I started to shop from them. I love their style, the feminine pieces, and they closed. It's so sad. And this is that floral, super like nice pastel dress. Then I need to do the, let me show you. I need to do the, like put away shoes in the boxes upstairs, up there, and then take out from the boxes the summer shoes and put them for here. So that's another thing I need to do. One thing I have understood is, sorry for this mess, I will need a lot more time. I haven't even done the shoes, and I want to actually try everything on and go through everything. Like if it fits me, if it doesn't fit me, just out. Because I am sure a lot of women will be like, you don't even have so much clothes. For me, I think I have so much clothes. I know it's also the problem that I don't have a big closet, but I don't see the clothes, and I hate that. If you don't see the clothes, you're not going to wear the clothes, and you're going to forget about pieces you actually love. Some week has passed since the last time I filmed for this video. A lot of things have happened. All the things have happened, but I was also sick and all the things, so it took a little bit more chill everything, and I was not rushing. It's Sunday actually, when I never film, and today I just have more time to film, and I did finally organize more or less, at least the big mess that I had here, like my room. So I just want to show you what has happened, what I have done, and end this video because I'm done. I'm done. And so one thing I'm going to show you, I put away the fall, winter kind of boots and stuff, and took out all the sandals and just changed it to summer. And then I organized here, as you can see, and there's just this one box where I put all the stuff, like new stuff that I'm going to get rid of, the sell, and so on. I got really motivated to put away and sell more stuff than I planned. Let me show you, I guess, how it looks like now, more or less. So here are my all the summers, like shirts, skirts, dresses, rompers, and so on. Kind of really nicely organized and perfect. And there's a lot of space, just because I got rid of like 3 dresses, I think, or something. Then I have my shorts and jeans and skirt, and these tops that are way too many, but I just have so many like t-shirts and stuff, so nothing really can be done with that one. And down there is actually shoes that I want to sell again as well, like I'm selling, except the winter ones obviously. I'm selling on Vinted and Wallapop if you're curious. And then let me show you, here are the boxes with the fall shoes and everything. And here are all the shoes. I wore these ones, the new ones recently. They're amazing. Sandals, all the things, flats, bags. I actually want to also sell this one and buy a little bit more practical, nice bag that can go from day to night maybe. I don't know. I need to think about it yet. But yeah, all my go-to and trainers kind of here. I have a lot of trainers. I used to have like one pair, now I have so many. And there's that. What do you think? I hope you love this video. Yeah, I hope and plan to actually get rid of even more things. And I think there are some trainers that I should just throw out because they're so old and I have worn them for so long and they're just like ripping apart. And yeah, hope to get some new hauls, like Petite friendly, nice, try out some better quality like linen, cotton dresses and so on, and some new brands maybe. Let me know if there's some specific brand you want me to try out and see whatever it is, like just let me know the request. And I'm going to stop rambling finally on this video. I even have no idea of how long this was going to be. And thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you next time.